Hey guys, Adrian here for the Digital Dojos, and today I have a OS 10 tutorial for you guys. This is a simple one. Now this is one that's built into the operating system. I thought, carrying along, trying to do some tips for you guys. I'd show you how to encrypt and make a encrypted disk image to house secure files in. Very useful if you have files on your computer from like work or business related that you can't allow family members or coworkers to see, and you want to keep it encrypted so that they need a password to get into the files. This makes it much more secure, and we're going to make it so you can mount the image and unmount the image, so it's easy to open as a hard drive, or it would just be like plugging in a USB or thumb drive or anything like that. Alright, so first off, you want to open the utility that we're going to be using called Disk Utility. This is built into Mac OS 10. We're going to go ahead and open this. And right here, we're going to select New Image. Now, this is going to take space. We're going to create an image off our hard drive here. In this case, I have my 80 gig SSD in here. And I'm going to type in what I want to name it. I'm going to name it Secret Files. Again, you can put any files. It can be document. It can be, bank, whatever type of secure information that you don't want other people viewing, whether it's banking info, credit card info, stuff like that, passwords. Hopefully you want to keep those just in plain text files, but in that case you can encrypt them here. I'm going to select desktop for this purpose just so it's easy to get to, and then you want to name the image whatever you want. Again, I'm going to name it Secret Files. For this purpose, I'm going to set it to 100 megabytes, but you're going to want to set that to whatever size you're going to, the amount of files you're going to be putting in there. If it's just documents, then 500 megs or so, if the documents aren't too big, it shouldn't be too bad. I'm going to leave that as Mac OS 10 Extended Journaled. Right here under partitions, you're going to set single partition Apple partition map. And encryption, you're going to want to set it to 256-bit AES encryption. 256-bit is 128 is a form of encryption as well, but again, if you've done anything with routers, you know that like 256 obviously is more. In basic terms, it's going to be a slower type of encryption, but it is more secure. So basically, it's running twice the amount of bits, compared to 128. So down here, you just want to leave this as a sparse disk image. So you want to click that, and again, these are all the settings again. If you can see that here, and maybe I can zoom in for you guys here. Alright, so this again is what you want to leave it at. Go ahead and zoom out there. Hit create. You wait for it, and it's going to ask you for a password here. Now, obviously, you're going to want to make this something very secure so people can't get into it. I'm just going to put in some numbers here, and okay, this is a good password, so I'll just use this one. And so this, you want to make it obviously a good password. I'm going to not remember it in my keychain. That way, obviously, I would have to type it in all the time, so nobody else can just get into it. I'm going to hit OK. And it's going to tell me it's formatting, it's attaching, and now when I go to my desktop here, see the secret files image. If I double click this, you'll see that here I have a my secret files folder, which I can put documents in, and of course, just like a regular thumb drive, I can eject it. So right here, I can say eject, and let's say I want to access my files. So I have this image right here. I click the image. It's going to ask me for my password. I put the password in, and hit OK, and there pops up the hard drive yet again, so I can access my files. So you're gonna have to put in the password, it'll load the drive in, and of course don't forget to eject the drive, that way nobody can access your files. And there you go. So it's kind of like a having like a virtual USB or anything like that, and encrypted, of course, in your Mac. Anyways, guys, this is just a quick OS 10 tutorial. Stay tuned for more videos coming up on OS 10, along with Windows, and soon some Linux tutorials. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next video.